Welcome to Clement Residence Hall, which is on our west end of campus. As you can see, there's a TV, there's a gathering space for students, there's also a conference room and the laundry room, which is on the first floor. We do have a ping pong table and other seating places for students to do their homework or to study. We are extremely close to Greenville's Uptown District, which houses some commercial and local shopping opportunities. Clement was just recently remodeled in 2017, so it is a beautiful place for our students to live. We are now in a traditional room here in Clement. So as you can see, there's furniture. There's two twin XL beds in each room with the bed frames that are adjustable. This one's actually on a lower setting, but you can raise them up just a little bit to put furniture and storage underneath if you would like. Some students like to purchase bed risers from places like Walmart and Target that bring up the bed a couple more inches so that they can put things like their dresser or the side table underneath, just so they have more room. Other students will take advantage of our loft rental kit, which will bring the bed up to an even higher setting so that you can put your desk or a futon or other additional seating that you choose to bring. Over on this side, we do have the closet that the students will share. There is shelving on the inside as well as a rod that you can bring in a shower curtain or a curtain to cover up for some privacy. All of the rooms will have two sets of furniture for each student, as well as Clement has our in-window units for air conditioning and heating. All of the rooms will also come with a mini fridge, microwave combination. That's the only thing that there's one of in each room for the students. So students are able to move all the furniture with their roommate to plan it and put it however they would like. We are now in the laundry room here in Clement, which again is on the first floor. So we have washers and dryers. You may see eventually that this room is a little bit bigger than some of our other residence halls laundry rooms, simply because Clement houses more of our students. So our washing machines have a timer on them, and they do not operate on coins or quarters. You pay for their fees in your room rate. So don't worry about bringing that. Just bring your detergent and your items, and then use the timers to make sure you retrieve your items when they're done. Some of our residence halls are homes to pianos. You'll find either a grand piano or a studio piano, and they will be on the lobby floor, or they will be in a practice music room in the residence halls, and they are open for student use at any time. We have areas like this in our residence halls to encourage students to recycle. You will be able to bring your trash to different areas on the floors for students to dispose of their items, but we will have a centralized recycling center for the residence halls. In our residence halls, we also have water fountains. Some of them will be traditional, and some of them will also have bottle fillers. And also the residence halls have an ice machine for students to be able to fill up their bottles on their way to class. So we are now here in a community bathroom for the floors in Clement, and so as you see, there's lots of sinks for students to come brush their teeth, take their contacts out, and so these bathrooms are maintenance by our housekeeping staff, and there are separate areas for the showers and the toilets. If you have any more questions about Clement Residence Hall, feel free to message us.